UGC NET Unit 9 Data Communication and Computer Networks December 2018 Question with Explanation Part 1. First question. Match the following secret key algorithm with the corresponding key length. List 1. Blowfish, DES, IDEA, RC5 and list 128 to 256 bits, 128 bits, 1 to 448 bits, 56 bit. Here the Blowfish key is 1 to 448 bits and DES key size is 56 bits. DES means data encryption standard, and IDEA use 128 bits for key and RC5 use 128 to 256 bits key. So A3, B4, C2, D1 is a correct answer. Next question. The 4-byte IP address consists of network address, host address, both network and host, neither network nor host. Here the 4-byte IP address consists of both network and host addresses. In this table you see the 5 class address and its decimal value range and host and network portions. The class A address start from 1 to 126. The 127 is loopback IP. It has one network and 3 host port byte. So the answer is both network and host addresses. Next question. Consider ISO OSI network architecture reference model. Session layer of this model offers dialog control, token management and dash as a service. Explanation. These are the following functions which perform session layer. The session layer works as dialog control through which is allow system to communicate in either half duplex mode or full duplex mode of communication. And this layer also responsible for token management. And this layer allow synchronization by allowing the process of adding checkpoint, which are the consideration as synchronous point to the stream of data. And this layer also responsible for checkpointing and recovery. So here the dialog control bus is given, token management given. So the answer is synchronization. Next question. The third generation mobile phones are digital and based on options AMPS, DAMPS, CDMA, Broadband CDMA. The first generation support AMPS and the second generation support DAMPS and CDMA. The third generation wireless communication technology, it supports broadband voice, data and multimedia communication technology in wireless network. So here the answer is broadband CDMA. Next question. Which of the following statement are true? 1. Firewall can screen traffic going into or out of an organization. Virtual private network can simulate an old leased network to provide certain desirable properties. Explanation. The statement 1 is right because firewall function at application layer and therefore it can monitor the traffic going into and out. The statement 2 is right because virtual private network can simulate an old leased network, but the only difference is that VPN can have encryption and decryption, but not in the leased network. So both 1 and 2 are correct. Next question. Which of the following statements are true? 1. Windows XP supports both peer-to-peer and client-server network. Second, Windows XP implements transport protocol as driver that can be loaded and unloaded from a system dynamically. Explanation. Windows XP support both peer-to-peer and client-server networking. It also has facilities for network management. We refer to internal network interface in Windows XP, NDIS and DDI. NDIS means Network Device Interface Specification, DDI means Transport Driver Interface. And XP implement transport protocol as driver that can be loaded and unloaded from the system dynamically. So here both 1 and 2 are correct.